Hi everyone, please join me. For work I will use 1.4 mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters and 50 grams, and seed beads. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. All information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. In this video you will see how to crochet motif with seed beads. You can choose your favorite color of beads and your favorite color of yarn. Let's crochet the heart. I will start from the chain. Count 6 seed beads, 3 and 3. So make a chain with seed beads. And pull it. Count 12 seed beads in this time. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, 12. Make a chain with seed beads. I put them together like this. Insert the hook into the small one and big one like this. Make single crochet. You have to check yourself. Make single crochet. Then make chain spaces. Chain of 6 for the chain space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. I skip 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook between these two. Make single crochet. Then chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. There is the small ring. Insert the hook into the middle of this small ring. So I will count 3 seed beads, then insert the hook between the third and the fourth one. And in this case it should be 2 seed beads in the big one. Make single crochet. They are 2 beads and here they are 3 seed beads. Please check yourself. Then chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into 2 seed beads. I count 2 seed beads and make single crochet. Then chain of 6 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the hook into the single crochet. Make a slip stitch. So my base for the heart is ready, and keep working in this way. I continue working on my heart. Make a chain. Insert the hook into the single crochet. Make single crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Work into the chain space. Make 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 2 half double crochet into the same chain space. 1, 2, make 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I continue working. Work into the next chain space. Make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then half double crochet into the same chain space and single crochet. Work with the opposite side. Make single crochet into the next chain space. Make half double crochet, 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make 6 double crochet into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 half double crochet, 1, 2, and 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, insert the hook into the first stitch, make slip stitch. My round is ready. Let's stop and look what I have done. So it is cute and simple at the same time. So I have got the heart. I just need to do a round of trim. And let's crochet the trim. For this, make a chain and make slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain and slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain and slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain and slip stitch. Chain and slip stitch. Chain and slip stitch. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete this round with me. As you can see, I am done a round of trim and I already cut off my yarn. To complete this round, insert the hook into the first slip stitch. Take the working yarn, pull it through. To secure the yarn by making a chain. Sew and pull it. And I will remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the work. So that's it, my project is ready. So my cute heart consists of different old stitches. It is very beautiful and unusual at the same time. For this project you just need to know how to work with basic stitches such as slip stitches, chains, double crochet, half double crochet and single crochet stitches. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use this motif. You can use it like a separate motif, or it could be part of big projects such Irish or Gipper laces. All information about the tools, kind of tools, and useful links could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and all my sponsors of my channels. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!